for the fisheries.
The Lower Mangkara Secondary School, Risiang, on the West Khasi Hills district, today organized a program at the school premises to show the happiness and to encourage Donald Mirthong, who have been selected to undergo training at one of the best academies in the country, the Minerva Academy Football Club in Punjab. Teachers and students of the school attended the program, and in his speeches, Headmaster Ronaldo Yaurin has encouraged other students to work hard in their talent, be it in football or any other like Donald Mirthong, so that they will be able to achieve the goal.
Om tang lagi tinggal lagi sport, lagi kam sport rey. Kadai ru akam kulit putih. Nomor bahangnya mentang nilai don kinonikai, kibami nang nina school, kibalayo akam surkar, kibami nang nina school, kibalayo akam police, ladon jen arnyut. Kata kadai keba kinonikai kilabun, rey police ru kiladon. Ingis kam menginui kita gi IAS dan gi IPS, kibang salong. Kita gi nong sensyar ya ka, ri berkejat bener hi berkawai. Thì ngắm ngay bà cái này cái gần kota hàng này lên ba cái trình trace tom trong cái này cái bắt kina school bahkan senai ku irat nak kapor.